Look at this beast. Nice truck. This is amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where'd you find that?
We actually built this.
Yeah?
We found the cab in Belk, Alabama. It was a water truck. This is a 69 C50. We put it on a 1970 C30 wedge chassis. We put about 500 miles on it.
What did you bring with you? Is that an old Plym?
It is a Plymouth. My grandfather bought that car brand new in 1952.
What? No way.
Yep. He drove the car for 20 years and parked it in his mother's backyard. It sat there for 40 years up in Virginia. We pulled it out of the backyard, put some fuel to it, put a battery to it, and the car started, ran, and drove.
Can you believe you're driving your grandfather's car?
Isn't that neat?
How
Isn't
cool
that
is
neat?
that?
We pulled all the running gear out of it, put a small block Chevrolet in it, turbo 350, new wire and harness, and you could drive it to California if you wanted to.
So you're gonna leave it like it is?
We're gonna leave it just like it is.